Kia ora koutou. Alright, excuse the wind. It's very blowy. I'll try and talk loudly. So, I know that this was a ship that was, I think it was built in 1899, and it ran aground, or it hit something coming out of the river mouth, and nobody died, and they recovered the cargo, but they never salvaged the ship. Wow. Ribs of a skeleton. Wow. So this is a piece of archaeology. There's timber there. I wonder if anything lives in this. But it does. I bet there's crabs and things living in here. See if we can just go right round it. I've got to navigate these big logs. Get my feet wet. See? Wow. Give you a bit of view as well. It's amazing how long things last, you know. Right, okay, so I'm actually inside the ship now. I'm going to go round to do the full circuit. Amazing the size of the tree trunks that wash up around here. That's what you call driftwood. So good timing really, because a different time of tide wouldn't see that much of it. Right, excuse all the wobbling and bumping as I'm walking on uneven ground. Right. Yeah. Let's have a little look what you can see if you peep through here. Yeah, still timber on it. Little wind farm in the distance there. So there you go. And I forgot what the it's I think it was the SS Waitangi, I think was the name. I'll take a photo of the information board before I leave. And then just to leave on, look at the shape of this. Look at the shapes on this, the texture of this. The twists and turns. It's like a piece of art, isn't it? So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Catch you soon. Rangimarie.